Hey guys, this video is on this new MP3 player. Unboxing here, Music Fan. From AGPTEK again. These guys, this last MP3 player that I demoed was awesome. I use it all the time. So this is a different model. Let's check it all out. Ooh, look at these earbuds. Those are cool. They're kind of fluted. We got some extras in there. Some directions. Oh, it looks like an extension for the earbuds. Oh, look at that baby. That's cool. Oh, that's neat. Okay, so looks like that's made to stick to your swimsuit there. That could clip right on really nice. You know, I would say you could use this this is a good one to use for running too. So clip that to your sweatshirt, your shorts, pants. And here, there's the USB for charging. All right, there's a couple of important notices here. So one of the big ones that stuck out to me is that you want to insert your earbuds into the jack here before taking it underwater, which is no problem there. And then it says don't use it continuously for more than 2 hours underwater. No problem there. And then there was another one. Oh yeah, it says please fully charge your device before using it. So before I upload everything and hook it to my computer, I'm going to go ahead and fully charge this thing. Look at this. If this is anything like the other one, this is totally true. So it says after fully charged, it can play up for 8 to 10 hours. That other AGPTEK that I got, it lasts for a long time. It's got a nice battery life to it. So this thing's nice and light too. Nice and light. Clips on. Let's go ahead and see how this thing plugs in here, ready for charging. I'm just gonna plug this into the wall plug there. So, charging it up. Oh, that's a pretty nice fit there. All right. Well, that's tight. Man. All right, that is very tight. Ooh. Okay, I was able to get that out of there. So you just really gotta give it some force, and I think that it's like that because you know they want to keep the water out. So there we go. All right, I'm just charging it up right now. Plugs right into the USB. All right, I plugged this in, let it charge for quite a while. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the computer, download some music to it. Okay, the trick to turning this thing on is you just push this button and hold it down. And that LED indicator light will come on. So now it's going off. Here's to turn it back on. You just hold down that play button. There we go. Okay, that red LED blinking light means my computer is picking it up and it's in transmission mode. The C gate is what I got my music on, and I'm going to transfer it from there to the AGP S19. That's what the computer recognizes the MP3 player as. So if you click on that, here's the default. Here's some of the default music right there. I'm going to go ahead and transfer my own music to it. Okay, I'm just going to drag. You can do songs or albums or whatever, so I'm going to go ahead and drag this one here over to it here. There we go. There we go. Now that one should be in. This is an Apple computer too. So now if we click on this, there we go. It shows up under there. Real easy. Same thing with all your tunes. Same process. Right, I'm almost done uploading this music to the MP3 player. I'm going to go ahead and unplug it and test it out. I'm going to go ahead and plug these headphones into here now. Okay, this is kind of cool here too. An extra little clip for more security, more securing these things a little bit better. Let's test it out, see how it sounds. Okay, being that this is a little short for me right now, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in this extension. Now they recommend don't use this extension underwater. All right, this is awesome. So as I'm speaking, I better turn it down. I'm listening to AC/DC here, and it sounds really good on this. And there's our volume here, so pause, play. Oh, that's neat. When I push that, something says pause, and then I push play, and it goes play. And then the music comes on. Sweet. Okay. They say not to use the Bluetooth underwater either because it won't work so good, but you can hook this up to Bluetooth. Um, Here's for your track selection. Oh yeah, goes right to it. Boom. Awesome. Next song. Oh yeah, that's great. Little kill switch engage here. Not gonna play it for you because it'll create some copyright issues with YouTube, and totally awesome. So okay, that says okay, this is how you switch your stuff. And it'll tell you in your earbuds. It says play by name, play by name, play by something. Okay. Cool. It's talking about shuffling and then playing by artist. So you can switch modes here. So let's go ahead and flip it to the next song again. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Okay, yeah, I got a mix of songs on here, and it's working really good. So I'm gonna submerge this. I'm gonna take the extension off it, and then just use the regular headphones and put it underwater. Put it to the test. Okay, here goes nothing. I got the music playing in my ears right now. Got the earbuds hooked up, playing in my ears, so. Oh yeah. Still playing. That's great. Okay, and I'm gonna take one of the earbuds out. Taking this out. I'm gonna put it underwater. Yep, the right one's working. The right one is out of the water right now. Oh, that's great. Okay, let's pull this one out. I'm gonna test it out, see how it still works, and then I'll put the other one in there. Yeah, no damage, no difference at all. Sweet. Pretty nice. Waterproof. Be able to use this in the rain. I'm not gonna use it for swimming, but this is what it's for. It's a swimming MP3 player. So, really cool. Just to kind of give you an example here, go ahead and put these underwater. I already did one and it worked fine after that too. So I'm gonna take this out, put it in my ears, see how that works. Oh yeah, no effect at all. So this being totally submerged, the earbuds being totally submerged works great. So if you are a swimmer and you want an MP3 player, get this puppy. It's nice and loud. So I crank it up here. Oh yeah. Oh, these go nice and loud. Perfect for swimming or in the rain. Yeah, that's awesome. Go ahead and pause that. Every time you pause it, it says pause. So talks to you a little bit too. That's kind of neat. Yeah, this is a good one. Again, you can hook up the Bluetooth to it. And they say this won't work so good with the wireless earbuds. And really, I don't know how you would do that anyway. This is a good one. Nice and light. It holds lots and lots of music. I mean, I got a huge music collection. It's got almost everything on it. So yeah, this is a good one. Got the clip there again, like I said. And we'll see how it just holds up against, you know, the test of time. See how many years I can make this puppy last. See what kind of abuse we can put it through. Yep, and you power off. If you power off, it'll tell you power off. Let me power it back on. Just holding that down. Okay, there we go. They say, it says power on, play from memory. And then your music comes on. And you can pause it. It'll say pause. Play. There you go. Next song here. Hey, real quick before I go here, let's just take a quick look at what all of the flashing lights mean on that. Really, that's the LED light right here. It's an indicator of a few different things. So if you want to know what that is, just take a snapshot of this right here and it'll tell you. Got one other thing to cover with you. So apparently you can pair this up with your mobile phone by pushing the that button right there, and then you can pair it up with your phone. I won't personally be using that function because I've already got my music uploaded to it, but you can definitely do that. So that's another function of this thing. Very last thing here, if this thing is charging, that means it's flashing red, and fully charged it'll be flashing green. So once that LED is flashing green, then you can go ahead and pull it off your charger. Oh, fully charged, there we go.